In the not-so-distant future, man's best friend might just become a little more robotic. From robotic canines that can fetch your slippers to AI-powered pups that can sense your emotions. These 5 AI dogs will change the future of companionship forever. So grab a ball and a charging cable, because we're about to take a look at some of the most advanced robotic canines on the market. And don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. Number 5. Digit Dog. The Sony A95 QD OLED TV features a revolutionary new heatsink design that allows for thinner bezels and a lighter brighter picture. At just 28 millimeters thick, it's one of the slimmest TVs on the market today. The new heatsink uses a copper substrate instead of the aluminum used in conventional heatsinks. This allows for better heat dissipation without the need for bulky components. Plus, the streamlined design means fewer gaps and a cleaner look. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or catching up on the news, the A95K's slim form factor gives you more screen and less everything else. With its incredible picture quality and cutting-edge design, the Sony A95K is a TV that's as stylish as it is functional. No. 5. Digit Dog. If you thought the Boston Dynamics Spot Mini was impressive, then get ready to be blown away by Digit, the next-generation robotic dog from Agility Robotics. Agility Robotics has taken everything they learned from building the Digit and put it into a smaller package with the new Digit. Still in the prototype phase, the Digit is set to revolutionize the way we interact with robots. With its ability to perform a variety of tasks, from fetching objects to assisting with daily activities. What sets the Digit apart from other robotic pets is its unique design and capabilities. Unlike the Sony AIBO, which is primarily designed to be a companion, the Digit is built to be a helpful assistant. It can understand and respond to voice commands, navigate complex environments, and even learn new tasks from humans. The Digit also has a range of sensors and cameras that allow it to perceive its surroundings and make decisions accordingly. One of the most impressive features of the Digit is its ability to move around obstacles and uneven terrain with ease. Thanks to its 4 legs and advanced control algorithms, it can walk, run, and even jump over objects without losing its balance. This makes it an ideal candidate for assisting humans in dangerous or difficult environments, such as disaster zones or in factories. In addition to its physical capabilities, the Digit also has a sophisticated computer vision system that allows it to understand and interact with its environment. It can use its cameras to identify objects, navigate around them, and even manipulate them with its grippers. This makes it a valuable asset for tasks that require precision and dexterity, such as picking up delicate objects or assembling components. The Digit's advanced AI algorithms allow it to learn from its experiences and improve its performance over time. It can be trained to perform a wide range of tasks and can even adapt to changes in its environment. For example, it could learn to recognize new objects or navigate through unfamiliar areas. Overall, the Digit is a remarkable achievement in robotics that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. Its combination of physical prowess, computer vision, and AI capabilities make it a highly versatile and valuable tool for a variety of applications. Number 4. Tesla Bot. Speaking of Tesla, Elon Musk's company has recently introduced a new member to its team. The Tesla Bot. This humanoid robot is designed to perform tasks that are repetitive, boring, or dangerous. The Tesla Bot is equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that allow it to perceive its environment and navigate accordingly. It can understand and respond to voice commands and can perform tasks such as fetching objects or providing assistance with daily activities. One of the most striking things about the Tesla Bot is its appearance. It has a sleek, futuristic design with a head that resembles a Tesla car's front grille. The robot is also highly mobile and agile, able to move around easily and perform tasks that require precision and dexterity. However, the Tesla Bot is still in the early stages of development, and much more testing and refinement are needed before it can be released to the public. Some people have expressed concerns about the potential risks of having humanoid robots in society, such as the possibility of job displacement or the potential for misuse. However, the benefits of this technology cannot be ignored. The Tesla bot could potentially help us in a wide range of tasks, from manufacturing to healthcare and more. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, we can expect to see more and more robots in our daily lives. The Tesla bot is just the beginning of what is sure to be a brave new world. No. 3. Little Robot Doggo. Little Robot Doggo is a compact and playful robotic pet that provides companionship and entertainment. It features a cute dog-like appearance with moving eyes and ears, and can interact with its owner through voice commands and touch. One of the standout features of Little Robot Doggo is its ability to recognize and respond to its owner's emotions. It can sense changes in tone and facial expressions and adjust its behavior accordingly. For example, if its owner is feeling sad, Little Robot Doggo can offer words of encouragement or comfort. Another impressive feature of Little Robot Doggo is its natural language processing capabilities. It can understand and respond to spoken language in a conversational manner, making it feel like a real pet that can chat and joke around with its owner. Little Robot Doggo also has built-in sensors that allow it to navigate its environment and avoid obstacles. It can move around freely and explore new places, making it a fun and engaging companion for indoor and outdoor use. The battery life of Little Robot Doggo is another impressive aspect of its design. It can run for up to 3 to 4 hours on a single charge, providing plenty of time for playtime or companionship. When the battery is low, the robot will automatically return to its charging station, making it easy to maintain and care for. Overall, Little Robot Doggo is a well-designed and innovative product that provides a unique blend of companionship, entertainment, and emotional support. Its advanced features make it stand out from other robotic pets on the market, and it is sure to delight users of all ages. No. 2. Pepper. Pepper is a humanoid robot designed to provide emotional support and companionship to humans. It is a highly advanced machine capable of understanding and responding to human emotions through facial recognition and natural language processing. Pepper has a unique ability to detect changes in a person's tone of voice or facial expression and adjust its behavior accordingly. It can provide comfort when someone is feeling down or celebrate with them when they are happy. One of the most impressive features of Pepper is its ability to learn and adapt to its owner's preferences. Over time, it can remember its owner's favorite topics of conversation, interests, and hobbies, and tailor its interactions accordingly. It can also adjust its communication style to match the personality of its owner, whether they are introverted or extroverted, talkative or quiet. Pepper's design is both sleek and friendly. It has a human-like appearance with expressive facial features and gestures, making it easy for people to connect with. It can also communicate through a variety of channels, including verbal and nonverbal cues, making it an effective communicator. Pepper is not only a great companion, but it can also provide practical assistance with tasks such as setting reminders, answering questions, and providing information. It can access the internet and retrieve information quickly and efficiently, making it a valuable resource for knowledge. Overall, Pepper is a remarkable achievement in the field of human-robot interaction. Its ability to provide emotional support, companionship, and practical assistance makes it a truly unique and valuable asset for individuals and families. No. 1. Neo and Yon. The last dog on our list goes by the name of Neo and Yon. This robot dog is not your average canny companion. Built by a team of engineers and designers, this mechanical marvel is a sight to behold. Standing at a height of 14 inches and weighing in at a hefty 7 pounds, this robot dog is truly a powerhouse. Powered by a high-torque custom chassis and equipped with a custom servo motor, this robot dog is built to last, but the real magic happens when you take it for a walk. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive motion platform and independent front wheels, this robot dog can navigate any terrain with ease. It can climb over obstacles, turn on a dime, and even drive backwards, forwards, and sideways. The Neo Union is not just a pretty face. It comes with a suite of sensors that make it a true technological marvel. It has a laser rangefinder, ultrasonic sensor, infrared sensor, metal contact sensor, gravity sensor, and more. These sensors work together to give the robot dog a full understanding of its environment, allowing it to avoid obstacles, read the room, and interact with its surroundings in a natural and intuitive way. But what really sets the Neo Union apart is its ability to connect with its owner on a deeper level. Thanks to its built-in AI, this robot dog can learn and adapt to its owner's behavior, becoming a true companion over time. It can follow commands, recognize faces, and even develop its own personality. If you're looking for a robotic dog that will stick by your side through thick and thin, then the Neo Union is the perfect companion for you. With its advanced technology and unwavering loyalty, this robot dog is sure to become a member of your family in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and stay tuned for more exciting content. We've got plenty of amazing videos coming up that you won't want to miss out on.